How we doing? Welcome back. Jesus Christ, I already did this video, but then I realized I had something playing in the background, so now I have to redo it. But I already had to add on to it because I took a late trade, so I don't know. The whole thing's fucked up. I'm just gonna redo the whole thing real quick. But uh, so I was down on the day, majority of the day. So I took this trade in the beginning. I just thought, I mean, we had like a 4 hour gap up at like the 610, so we still haven't hit or whatever. I tried this long here, breaking out. We kind of chopped around. I was a little green, little red. I closed it like a fucking. I was like down like 20 bucks or whatever because I actually only took this with 1 micro instead of 5 micros, so it was like barely any risk. I closed here. News was coming out at 9:45, but it was like yellow folder, so I didn't know if I wanted to get in on this push up or what. I didn't. Kind of wish I did because that day would have probably been over quicker. And then yeah, we still had room to the upside. We started chopping, or we like have our nice pullback or whatever, and then do this. I end up getting in all along. I was up, and then I've seen this so many times where we like take out the high. We literally like took out the high, and I was thinking about closing because I'm like, I don't know if we'll get up to these 610s, but I wanted to hold, and then we just snapped right back. We literally like spike up at the very end of this candle, snap back down. I'm like, oh my god, I've seen this story a million times. So I'm watching. And once we break like this low, I'm like, all right, I'm fucking out. And then I wanted to get short. I wanted to get short here. I wanted to get short here. Like, that's sometimes I think I don't even need a strategy. And I'm like, okay, if I don't think we're going long, I think we're going short then. Because it's like, I've seen this. I've seen this happen. So I've been caught in this long so many times where we break the high, I get excited, and then we pull back and I lose. So, but yeah, and this was like the longest day I ever looked at the charts too. I mean, I took this trade at like 12, a little after 12, and I was looking at it the whole time. Normally I'm done by 11, but price action was still like moving and it just looked good. I really wanted longs this entire time. It's like making a nice big bull flag in like the 5 minute and the 15 minute and bouncing off the EMAs and stuff. And I was just waiting and waiting and waiting for something. And then I finally got it. I grabbed this long here. And then once we took out like this high, because I'm like, well, I don't know if we're actually going to have a breakout or we're just going to chop. So I just started trailing once we took out like this high and then just trailed aggressively and ended up getting out here for like 30 points. So I was down like 250, but I ended up turning around on the first day on these accounts. So little green day. I don't even know if it's like you need like a certain amount of money for each green day or whatever, but it's just nice to be green. Yeah, a little bit of spread or whatever per usual, but yeah, just a long day or whatever of staring at the charts. I can't remember the last time I've done it that long, but I'm happy I did it. Obviously, I stayed nice and patient, which that's how I know I'm very disciplined and stuff because I'm like I want to make my money back, obviously, but I'm not just entering when I'm because I saw so many opportunities where I'm like, oh, I could maybe enter long here above the, but I was like, no, I'm gonna wait for what I really want to see. Then I finally got a nice bounce off the 15 minute and the 5 minute EMA. And we push up, and then I'm like, I want to see like a little bull flag inside of the big bull flag or whatever. And then we get that, and then we get a nice rip right up to target in fucking 2 minutes. I'm like, okay, that's what we wanted. Um, yeah, that was a lot. Okay, but yeah, I think that's all I really got. I'll be back tomorrow. Take care.